Aloha! I'm Saratina, and we're going to take the dishes from the kitchen and prep area down. Look at that. Look at that crazy wind. Look at that. We're going to take the dishes down to the water. I thought you could do it with me. Okay, so we go down. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Can you see our tree swing? Can you see the water? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor? And on that note, if you're looking for free riverfront property, the Karma Tree's just opened up, just a couple minutes away from us, and you have a beautiful space. So here we are. Dish area. Okay, gotta do this like this. So, ooh, the dishes go here. We put the water in it and we let them sit for a few minutes. Look at how beautiful the water is today. So this is like, I don't know, you call it our front yard, our backyard. This is our yard. And it's really, really, really windy. So I'm going to dip and we'll fill this up with water. And it's really amazing if you've never lived by the ocean, when you use the sand to wash your dishes, it actually scours them and you don't need really anything else. So another little dip right there. And that will stay here. Oh, water feels great. Woo! Oh! And the shoe gets stuck. That's what you get. And now we go back up the stairs. So here's some stairs that, oh, the first stairs Jim built. And we'll make our way up the stairs. See our tree swing. And oh, yep, IMAX chairs. And the top. Okay, gotta keep going. Thank you for joining me for 3 minutes of my day. Make it a great day.